deadly.
Oh yeah, deadly, yeah. Hello, my love. It's been a long time coming. Got to know you from afar. Now can we take things slowly? I find it hard when I'm feeling away to play my cards and deliver. And I see stars when I look at your face, but I can't. Oh yeah, 'cause I've always been a shy girl. Don't always know what to say, but I welcome you to my world. I'd really like you to stay. Hello, my love. Now that I know this love is true, I guess I'll play the game that I'm afraid to lose. There are signs if you look in my eyes, so much to learn and discover. Hello, my love. It's been a long time coming, 'cause I've always been a shy girl. Don't always know what to say, but I welcome you to my world. I'd really like you to stay. I'd really like you to stay. To stay. To stay. I'd really like you to stay. To stay. To stay. Yeah.